Happy Tuesday, June the 9th. I hope everybody is having an amazing day. I am here another day, so I'm happy for that. And yeah, hope you all are doing amazing. So what is on my schedule for today? Actually, I'm on my way to my mom's right now, you guys. Today is her birthday. Oh, I hope I didn't run over. It was like something in the street, a bird or something. Today is her birthday. I'm so blessed to have her here still with me. So I'm going to go right now. I'm getting ready to go and take her some flowers from, where did I go? Home Depot. I started to bring you guys along, but it was just so many people and I didn't want to be around that. But I'm going to take her flowers to put on her porch, on her flower stand. And there's a lot of blooms on there. Her favorite color is purple, so I called her to see if she was home, and she said she had just got home, which was good. And yeah, I'm going to surprise her, and I'll see you guys momentarily when I get back home, okay? Now we're back home. Y'all, it is super hot outside, but I'm telling you, enjoy your day because it's really a nice day. Like, even though it might be 92 degrees, the wind is blowing, so we got a little breeze. But I'm just trying to keep you guys in the loop of everything that's going on. So I left my mom's. I stopped somewhere. What else? I think that was it. Yeah, I had to make one stop. So what I did, since I've been here, I have mopped all the floors. So I'm see if you guys can tell. I mopped all in here. I bought this plant, as you guys remember. This plant, this philodendron. This was in the back room, and that, and this croton. So you guys know they're growing really good. So I'll give you a little info here. See the new baby right there? And then here's a new one. So everywhere you see this one unfolding, and there's another one that's going to unfold. Those are new ones. And then these are the two newer ones on the croton. And that's from in the back room. And then here's the Philly fig plant. These leaves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are all the new ones. So yeah, I mopped in here really good. As you can see, guys, that's the mop. I mean, it's not dirty, but it's dirty to me. I mean, yeah. So I mopped all in here, all around the stuff. And then once I get out of here, because I'm going to do an empty house tour here once I'm done, and then I'm going to do the house tour for the new place. So guys, be looking for that. I'm trying to think, what else did I do? Oh, I bought this from out of the bag. This was in that back room, so absolutely nothing. I mopped in here. I took everything up out of here, like I said, and I put all the plants here, and this is the box that was on the floor. So I just have, you know, just the things that you need for everyday essentials to get cleaned up. So this room, if you can hear, is all the way empty. And then I kept this door open because I end up mopping in here. So all this is cleaned out. And yeah, I'm really proud of myself. I have been doing a lot. So basically, y'all, I mean, time is coming. It's approaching like really, really fast. So yeah, those are all the things that I have done today this far. And guys, my Berkey filter did come. So that's what, hold on. That's what this box is actually Berkey. So I'm going to do a video on that. That's going to be coming up. And I'm trying to think what else, guys. You guys see me do the, what was it that I was doing? Oh, the little sign. So that's done. Oh, all I have to do now is take this plant dirt and put it inside that big philodendron plant. And I'm trying to figure out which plant that I can put in this pot here. I don't know if I need to swap out a pot and get rid of a pot or whatever, but I'll figure it out. And if I do, I'll bring you guys along. So I think that's about it, guys. I really don't have anything else to vlog about. I just gonna show you bits and pieces of my progress as to moving. But I had to get this floor done. This floor, it's like when I moved the rug and I vacuumed and stuff, there was grit on the floor, so I did get the grit up, but I still needed to mop the floor, especially underneath that. So that's what made me just go ahead and mop the floor, guys. So yeah, moving forward, it's good. God is good. God is really good. So guys, I will see y'all in another video really soon. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace and love, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget, love yourself so that you will love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, guys. Guys. Bye, y'all. Bye. For a moment, the sun is going down, and I was feeling like I didn't give you guys enough video today. So I said I'll just come back and chit chat with you guys for a little while. I did manage today also to, why do we look a little dark here? Okay. I did manage to do some laundry, guys. Like I said, it's 92 degrees today. So I've washed the comforter that I'm using on the bed now, a sheet, and a couple of, one of my, what do you call it? Your face mask. I decided to do that while the weather was good because I'm not turning on no, I'm not turning on no dryer here. I'm not using no gas like that. I mean, I'm heating up food like saute, but nothing right real hard. But guys, look, this said it is, what does that say? Can y'all see that? It is 84 degrees in this house, but it doesn't feel like it. I have all the windows open and everything, and yeah, it doesn't feel like it's that hot in here. It really doesn't. So yeah, guys, trying to think what else I can talk about like really quick. So I don't want to talk about so much of me moving. I do believe, I mean, I know it's a blessing and everything, but by everything else that is going on today, I kind of feel like I don't want to take the focus off of y'all can hear the birds. We're just going to listen to birds, listen to nature. Y'all know what that's, I love that. But I didn't want to take the focus off of the marches that's going on, lives that have been lost, and things of that nature. So I'm just going to bring you guys, like I said, what I can. I'm not going to overdo it. So I hope you guys will understand that, because I just feel like although I'm being blessed in my life right now, there's a lot of people who are saddened right now at the times that we are going through. So I'm just one of those people that I can feel other people's pain, and I'm quite sure everybody else can feel. The whole world is feeling the pain of, you know, some of the things that we have seen on TV, and all of our hearts are full. So just me, just being the person that I am, I'm just not going to put the focus on me. And I know a lot of people watch YouTube and stuff like that, and a lot of people, you know, live through people sometimes on YouTube and want to see them succeed and things like that. But I just wanted to put that out there. I just wanted to come back and let you guys know that. So I will only bring you things that I think that are really important. Like I showed you, I mopped the floor today. It wasn't really like a whole lot spectacular, but I did get that done. And I washed my sheets and stuff and hung them outside. That was, you know, I let you guys know about the Berkey filter. You know, it did arrive yesterday. And moving forward, you know. And yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that. And yeah, I'm okay. And I will see you guys. I hope my hand is not in the way of me holding this camera. I really do. Let me go get up and see, because last time I did that, it's a certain way I hold it. It will have my hand in the way. So see, I knew it was. So guys, with that being said, I will see you guys. Today is Tuesday. I'll probably see you guys Thursday. And Wednesday, something big has to happen, but I will share that probably with you in another video. All right, I'll see you guys. Bye. Hi, you guys. Happy Wednesday. Today is June the 10th. Hope you all are having an amazing morning. I'm actually on a mission today. Have a lot of great things going on, and if I can bring you guys along for some of them, I will. But right now, it's near lunchtime. I'm getting ready to head and work out and get that over with, and I have to meet. I have a meeting, kind of like a meeting, at 12 o'clock. So I'm trying to hurry up and get this out of the way before that time. But guys, I hope you all have an amazing day, and just choose joy, love, and peace over hate. Our country, you know, like I said, we're going through a lot, but we can get through if we keep those three things keep those three things down and have to remember that we have to remain calm and know that the Father, he's a little tired of us. That's why we're going through what we're going through. However, he's going to also take care of us at the same time. So yeah, I just wanted to say that, and wish you guys a very great day, and hope you all have an amazing one. And yeah, it's supposed to storm really bad here, like I think like 5 o'clock. So hopefully I'll be in and have everything done that I need to have done for today. So guys, if I'm able to bring you guys along for something or whatever, I'm going to bring you guys along. So I'll see you guys. All right. I forgot to show y'all. This is all my blender. I didn't check it and see if it was working or not. So I'm not sure, but I have jackfruit in here. I have yellow mango, regular mango, bananas, and peaches. So this is what I'm eating, my morning and my lunch snack. I cannot wait to get my windows tinted. I don't like people being able to look at my space. I'm not used to it. Well, these two are tinted, but I had to get these two done. So yeah, guys, I will really see y'all. Okay, later. All right, bye. Jackfruit, this is what it looks like. And if you can shred it. Remember I was saying I can make something look like pulled pork or something? You can shred it like that. But that's what it looks like. It's so good. It's so good. And I got all these scraps so I can throw them out in the woods for the animals to have. Yeah, we got to feed the animals too. You know that, right? Feed the animals. Okay? Y'all know what y'all be missing. Get right, get tight. All right, guys. Till next time, okay? I want to show y'all how beautiful it is and so airy walking through these woods. This is a trail that I'm on, and there's people who walk through here, so I'm not always alone, because I know a lot of you in the comments always say, be careful, Sonia, and I know you mean well. But at the same time, guys, we can't let fear like conquer our well-being. Like, this is part of my living. I love hiking. I love being outside. I don't like city life like that, because city life is dangerous more than it is hiking and being in parks and stuff like that, because there's a lot of people that are like-minded like you that enjoy these things. So you'll see a lot of them out here, and if you ever get lost, trust me, they're really so kind. They're more kind than city people. They will go out of their way and help you for anything, because their mindset is free. They're free in their minds and they're free in their hearts. So yeah, I am very cautious. I have mace here. I have a lot of things on me that I can use. But yeah, I'm not going to let fear stop me from working out and seeing God's beauty of the world. This is too beautiful to miss out on. This is too beautiful. This is enlightening. Some things are not enlightening, y'all. Not in my book. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys some beautiful scenes as I take my 2-mile jog through this park and through this trail. It's just so beautiful, and they just keep doing stuff. There is, if you can see where my hand is pointing, there's a bridge over there. It's just beautiful, y'all. It's just so many things to see. And before I turn the camera back on, they have like trees that have names on them. It'll tell you what is the name of the trees, just in case you're one of those people who likes the view of trees. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. All right, bye.